So I've been with Robert for 15 years, been working with him for 15 years. Started working with him as a deck leveler on the assembly line. And as we kind of moved through there, I went from up to the service shop as a service technician, worked in research and development, worked as assembly supervisor, took responsibility for warehousing, for purchasing, became a production planner, and then a lean supervisor role, and then moved into the operations manager role over the fab shop. It was absolutely a no-brainer to go with Robert. Not only Robert was kind of the blood of the company, he was the driving force of the company, but he was the excitement too. And he was just contagious, man. If he wanted to build a cereal bowl tomorrow, we were gonna build a cereal bowl and it was gonna be awesome. When I think back at kind of how things were and how everything was before we moved over, it was a lot of excitement around the original company. First years were kind of interesting. So in the very, very beginning, we were strictly a UTV manufacturer. What that looked like from an assembly standpoint was, our production rates were, 2 to 4 a week. It built from that to moving in with Mahindra and building 25 UTVs a day. And then when the mower launched, it's just fireworks after that, just never let up. It's pretty exciting. It was pretty neat to see all the steps leading up to where we are now, being acquired by Toro. And I definitely never felt like we would never be an amazing company, but with Toro coming in, that's exciting to see what the future leads for the company that started out as just a few people and a few products. Pretty exciting stuff.